A new era of precision-crafted performance has arrived with the all-electric ZDX. To initiate available hands-free cruise, hands-free driver assistance technology, press the adaptive cruise control button located on the steering wheel while on compatible roads. When the hands-free cruise icon illuminates white on the digital instrument cluster, press the hands-free cruise button while centering yourself in the lane. The steering wheel light bar will illuminate blue. Wait for the light bar and digital instrument cluster icon to turn green. Take your hands off the wheel and enjoy the ride. To use lane change on demand, tap the turn signal or enable automatic lane change, where hands-free cruise will automatically activate the turn signal and changes lanes for you if the system determines the situation is optimal. Automatic lane change settings are customizable to the driver's preference in the settings menu. The driver attention camera system tracks your eyes to make sure you're focused on the road and will alert you if it detects a problem. When the steering wheel light bar starts blinking green, the system is telling you to pay more attention to the road. Should the steering wheel light bar start blinking red, along with beeps or seat vibrations, you need to immediately take control of steering. If you don't, a voice prompt will instruct you to take over. And if you still don't respond, your vehicle will gradually come to a stop in its lane and you will be contacted by an OnStar advisor. To disengage hands-free cruise, press the hands-free cruise button or the adaptive cruise control button located on the steering wheel, or pull the regen paddle with your hands firmly on the wheel. For more details, please see your vehicle owner's manual.